Hey, Cass. You wanna sit with me for a speedy trial? Get some money? We're at the upstairs courtroom. I'll give you all the information in the chambers once you get here.
Oh my god, I'm stuck everywhere today.
The chairs are in the worst place spots, I swear.
I know, right? So it's gonna be case 2937.
Got it. You come down to MRPD.
Yep, give me 10 minutes, I got you.
So I'm just gonna go off of like the script for
correct in your
expungement
vote?
hearing, not like a regular one since it's speedy.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Obviously testimony, facts on hand, no like witnesses and bullshit like that for the speedy, right?
Yeah, usually, it's basically like just have them all introduce themselves. I still go plaintiff to defense for the speedy trial, so I'll have like the officers say their side and the defense speak. I like giving them both a second chance to just bring up anything because neither of them have the legal experience. So after each has told their side, the officer has like another chance. That way, if the like suspect brought something up, they have a chance to rebut, and then the suspect has another chance to rebut anything. If they have any evidence that they want to show, like flyers or emails or something like that they can pull up on the TV pretty quickly, I'll let them do it.
Yeah.
But nothing like crazy.
All right. Yep. Just to the point.
Yeah.
And then 3 minutes to rebuttal and to think in my head, deliberate, whatever the fuck it's called. I guess we will, and then whatever. I just want to make sure you get a paycheck.
Oh yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
All right. I'm used to the bigger cases and the expungements, so speedy trials is a little new.
Yeah, no, it's kind of like a do how you want it. Because honestly, there's not really a set script for it, so just kind of however you want to run the show.
Oh, well, we're gonna have fun. All right.
Hell yeah.
I'm ready to go whenever you are. I hear tasers, so.
Jesus, tasers.
Yep, in the courthouse. Jesus. The last time we had a speedy trial, we put a picture of Abijah on the TV.
Jesus.
Wait, that's not it.
That, Your Honor, there was a mix-up at the jail.
Oh, good.
Oh, Rico, come sit on my lap.
Oliver, come up here because we were involved. Oliver.
Yeah, go
Oliver.
Oliver. Oliver, come stand next to me on my right.
You right?
Okay.
This one right here? This right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right there.
Oh, don't worry about my
Hey,
hand placement.
can we
there, Lindsay.
remind him that anything he says in front of that table, everybody's going to be able to hear because of the microphone, please?
Does he have?
Did you hear what she said, Oliver?
Wait, what?
She said, anything you say, everybody's gonna hear because
Does he not have a
That's
lawyer?
what you said.
So
I'm not gonna say
for
nothing.
speedy trials, there are no
Oh,
Okay.
lawyers.
Take your
It
hand
is
off
Alright,
the
cool.
just
gun when
the
you're in
officer
court.
that
I know
is
it's a nervous
arresting
state, but
and
chill.
the person. So no
Fuck
no
me.
attorneys,
That's a
no
lot of office.
objections. Yeah, it should just be the arresting officer. Is
Alright,
how I normally run it.
alright, I got you. Thanks,
But it's
boss.
up to you. You do whatever you want to do. You know.
Yep. All right, everybody, are we ready to start?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, first off, phones
Yep.
off for me on airplane mode, please.
I can't put mine on airplane mode. I'm gonna cuff.
Oh shit.
I'll
Yeah.
cuff him to the table.
Yeah, that would be nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Bubba.
Thanks.
All right, given this is a speedy trial, I'm just gonna take both parties' testimonies, arresting officer and his. It's gonna be the facts on the play, no witnesses, and I will take 3 minutes to deliberate in my head, and then we'll go from there. Sound good?
Yeah, sure.
Yes,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
This is gonna be in reference to case. 1 second, I forgot the case. This is gonna be in reference to case number 2937.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, appreciate it. All right, officer, you may start off.
You want me to stay here or step up to the podium?
You could step up or you could stay there, whichever you choose.
I'll just stay here if it makes
All
it
right.
easier.
Outstanding.
All right, Your Honor, my name's Officer Jeremiah Bulldog Lima 818 is my call sign. I was on routine patrol, and during my routine patrol, I was patrolling in Toledo. I observed a maroon color, red color, wine colored Western motorcycle bagger with occupied by that individual at the defense table, driving erratically, and he ran a traffic control device, or actually he ignored it. And then almost hit a vehicle coming the opposite direction, coming down Dulos, almost T-boned it. I turned on my lights, tried to make contact with him. As soon as I stepped out of the car, he jumped off the bike and ran over towards, I'm not sure whether it's a pharmacy or some kind of shop. I advised him, hey, Bubba, come talk to me. We made contact, acting really, really hinky, really suspicious. During our conversation, he advised me that he had a knife on him. I asked, did he have anything else on him that needed to concern myself, anything that poke, stick, or prod me? He said, just a knife. I said, okay, I'm going to pat you down, make sure you don't have anything else. And he said, I don't consent to any searches. I said, I'm not going to search you. I'm going to pat you down. I asked him what was the big deal about a search. He said, I just don't like being searched. Anyway, patted him down, found a bulge in his waistband. Come to find out, that gave me probable cause to make a search. Searched his person, found 3 baggies of marijuana, an advanced lockpick, ammunition, and a firearm. And take note that Mr. Monroe is a convicted felon, so he is prohibited from owning or possessing a firearm. At that time, he was detained. I advised radio for another unit just because I was up there by myself. This cadet to my right responded along with his training officer. I advised him what was going on and turned over the report and the arrest to him so he could get credit for it on his training sheet. And suspect was Mirandized by the officer to my right. I didn't ask him any incriminating questions, so therefore I didn't need to Mirandize him. Suspect was then subsequently transported to the BCSO where he was processed and his vehicle was impounded.
Okay, thank you very much. Anything else you would like to add before we get his side?
The suspect was a cooperative. After he was detained, I had no problems with him, and I have no qualms if the court wants to exercise leniency on him. I just want to make sure that he seemed to be concerned of the legalities of the pat down of the search. The pat down Terry frisk was done subsequently based on officer safety. Once I made contact with him, he jumped off the bike. That gave me reasonable suspicion, which allows me to, under Terry v. Ohio, to conduct a pat down for officer safety concerns.
Okay, I appreciate you, sir.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
You get to take your seat. All right, sir, you're up. You could stay there. You could step up. Start with your name, please.
I'm kind of cuffed to the table, so I'll stay here.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
My name is Jericho Monroe. I'm like I said, I was just driving down the road. I was going a little fast, I will admit. I wasn't thinking about it. I was just in a hurry to get to the pharmacy. As soon as I didn't see any light sirens, nothing like that. Once I got to the shop, I got out, went to go buy what I needed to buy. And that's, as I was walking out, was when I saw the lights. He told me it was a traffic stop, asked why I was driving so erratic. I was like, sorry, my bad. I wasn't thinking about it. He then asked if I had anything sharp, but anything I was gonna poke him on. I said no. I said I have a butcher knife. I specified butcher knife. Then when he so I am trying to think of he then called for 32. Oh, he asked if I wanted to be searched. I said I prefer not to be searched. He then requested a 32. I heard on him say that on the radio. Then he said at this time he'd be detaining me and that he'll be then he pat me down and searched me. And everything else followed from there.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Hey, can you take over real quick from me? I gotta step away. What?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom.
All right.
My second seat judge is gonna take over for a second. Sorry about that. Thank you.
All right. Does the prosecution have anything else they wish to add?
I don't believe so, Your Honor, except for the fact, let me just clarify, and I think we clarified in my testimony, that subject was lit up prior to getting to Delos Avenue. Suspect did not stop, ran the red light. So, contact was made as soon as I turned on my red lights, red and blue lights. Subject immediately jumped off the bike, went to the pharmacy or whatever store that is, and completely ignored me until I said, "Hey, Bubba, come on, you need to talk to me." Then he turned around and talked to me. I just want the court to understand and make sure that they realize that contact was made prior to him getting off the bike, based on me activating my lights and siren. And that's all.
How can I help you, sir?
Hello, sir.
All right. And defense, Mr. Monroe, do you have anything else you wish to add?
Like I said, I just want to specify that I didn't hear any sirens, see any lights until after I was already at the shop, and he asked me to stop, please.
All right. So the court will take a brief recess and review the testimonies and come to a conclusion about the facts of this case and provide a response. Take a brief recess.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Fucking killing me. You're fucking killing me. You're fucking killing me. You're fucking killing me.
All right, I'm back. Sorry. Oh my
Oh,
god.
you're good. Oh, you're good. You're good. I'm not gonna lie. I zoned out there for a second.
Oh my god. I drank so much water. I had to pee.
Okay, thank God. They didn't really add anything else. The only thing that they said, I just had them each just add anything they wish to add, and the prosecution basically said that the PC for pulling him over was the reckless driving, which I felt he did the first time. Like he mentioned that before I zoned out.
Yeah.
And then the suspect is claiming that they didn't hear any lights or sirens or know that they were being pulled over prior to exiting the vehicle and getting off of the bike.
And he's only being charged. What is he being charged with? Just
Reckless driving and then criminal possession of a Class A.
yeah, that's reasonable. They're not charging him for the weed. They're going by the book with that. Seems like reasonable. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I do think that is a reasonable charge. If anything, I would just reduce the sentence time significantly, since he came to court and all.
Yeah. I'm trying to look for what they're gonna sentence him with. The time.
It should be just 25 months is what the total sentence was.
25 months. Oh, I see it now. What do you think? 10?
Shoot. Sometimes I even just tell them it's okay. I'm super generous when it comes to speedy travel. That's just me. Sometimes so I think 10 minutes is absolutely fair. I honestly would probably just be like, and you'll have time served for the time you spent within the trial and for being so cooperative. Unless if the officer is somebody like a complete asshole, then I always send them to jail at least for a little bit. But yeah, no, up to you. You do how, because the whole thing that I want cops to figure out is each judge is a little different, and so I want them to know that I tend to do some weird ass sentencing. Like I just made someone do a drug test to get an expungement.
Make them run 3 laps around the track out back.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, works for me. All right, cool. Thanks for that.
Slippery, bro. And
I don't give
been
a
holding that
fuck
for, like,
about your
30 minutes.
pussy. Put it away. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Sorry for my outburst. This guy's
Jesus
never mind.
Christ.
No,
Sorry,
very sorry. I had to step away. The men's room was calling my name. All right. We did some talking in chambers. Both parties, you know, the evidence that was brought, the explanation. You said he was very, like, reasonable with you.
After he was detained, yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I would like to drop the jail time to 0, but I would like for him to run 3 laps on our track by DOJ headquarters here.
Okay, so does that mean you find him guilty, but you're just going to remove the jail time?
Yeah, he is guilty, but no jail time. We're gonna make him run. Fine is still good to stick.
All right, I have no objections.
Okay.
Run, Forrest, run.
All right, sounds good. Court is adjourned. Thank you for coming.
Shit, let me just hold on.
Should I find him right now?
Yeah, you know how to do it.
No, the pretty boy ain't coming no more. He's running laps instead.
You might want to uncuff him from the table.
Wow,
Yeah, please don't make him
I
change
can't,
and
because
handcuff.
Oliver's
I'll let
in.
fucking Lionel
Yeah.
Richie do it. Hey, Scarn Jr. with a fucking mustache. Go uncuff him from the
Thank.
I did it already. Did you send the fine to him?
Look at that.
All right, perfect.
Or did you press
All right, we can
send
go out the
for it?
side door.
All right, sounds good.
And then you sent it.
I'm back in radio after
Yeah.
How the hell I get out of here, Cass?
Over here to the left,
It's right here. Yeah.
and then all the way to the left.
Cool.
Your travel there does not count. Okay, damn it.
Okay.
Okay, so
It's gonna be 3 laps.
on cell phones, you understand, and that way we can do it the correct way. Okay.
Right.
Why are cops shooting out tires? Like,
Hey, what's up? Oh, hold on. I'm so sorry. Give me 1 second. I had to silence my phone for the court. Give me a second. I can't hear anything.
Hey, Ross, you still down here?
I am. Just give me a minute.
All right. Can you hear me now? you're
So
talking?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
I'm down
so
here. I can hear you as well.
what we're doing right now is we're doing a plea agreement / NDA.
Just tell 'em to
Since
open
the
interrogation
NDA
doors.
that we have does not like coincide with the way that this NDA is signing right now, we're gonna put it in
Yeah,
the
I'm in,
file
I'm in the hallway between
for the case.
interrogations
So
and
the
stuff.
guy was
Don't let
brought
me
down
in.
for attempted murder of an LEO, aiding and abetting, and then there was another one, criminal possession of Class A. He's being let go on all charges. I'm gonna put on the case that
I
an
drank so much
NDA
Coke
was
Zero that
signed
I had to pee.
so that he cannot sue PD. He agreed to that terms as long as I drop the case and he doesn't take any fine or times.
I
Okay.
was trying
Are
to
we
get
allowed to do
your
that?
fellow DOJ food before he died. It
I mean,
didn't work.
It's kind of a gray area.
I mean, we agreed to it. I'm gonna take a screenshot and then I'm gonna post it into because he made a ticket
Thanks, Blover.
so that we have
I
at
got you guys
least
for
a
information.
paper
See
trail
myself,
of it.
so we'll have to stop somewhere.
Yeah, definitely make sure y'all have a copy of it on your side.
Here,
Yeah, we
take
will.
this. I'm good
No,
for food.
no.
Yeah.
It's not mine. Seriously.
Okay, I figured I would at least let you know, and then I'm sure you've seen Avery down there talking to the lieutenant. It's disciplinary for an officer. This is why the guy has to be let go. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm giving you the heads up. Should I let Chief Justice know that my recommendation, or?
I doesn't really matter to me.
Okay, I didn't know because we had this big meeting today, so I'm just a little on edge about it. That's all.
Yeah, no, So who was it? Who was the person who arrested the guy?
Space Smith. So Spade Smith, and then he unlawfully discharged his firearm by emptying the clip inside the hallway between the cells in the interrogation rooms.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
What is
and
his
he
rank?
did it, I have no idea, but he did this in front of the suspect while saying, "This is what I did," and then proceeded to unload the clip. So that's why I'm dropping the charges, because I know that this opens up PD to one, liability, and two, like a whole bunch of stuff. That's why I'm.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't know how well it would hold up in court. In my opinion, I don't know if that is. I mean, you can absolutely have them sign that, but I don't know if it would actually hold up in court if they brought it to court.
Okay. It's basically I asked them to agree basically not to sue PD over this incident. So
yeah, like I said,
that's what he had agreed.
I don't know how well that would hold up in court because they could say that you were leveraging his freedom as a way to sign a paper under duress, right? Like, so that's my POV from it. Now the client may not give a shit and honestly prefer to just get out, but that's up to you. Like I said, I don't know how I would see that in court if it came to me, but.
Okay. I forgot about that.
It's up to you. I mean, if you guys, the other thing is, if PD doesn't condone this type of behavior or hires him or whatever it is, then I don't know how well PD would be actually liable for it.
So I actually talked with Avery and I said, one is unlawful discharge of a firearm. That's a felony. And then she also said it was brandishing. How's it going? She also said that it was brandishing, which is a misdemeanor. Both are fireable offenses. I said, what are the steps for? She said it could be a talking to, a strike, a demotion, suspension. I said, well, for at least for the felony charge, my recommendation is at least either a suspension or a strike, and then for the misdemeanor, retraining and either a demotion or a talking to, if you will. And she kind of agreed with me that something needs to be done. So she's not going to condone it. So
Yeah, I don't know if this is something that y'all can hold up in court, honestly.
Right.
So it's up to you. I mean, like I said, you could try it, but like I don't know if it'll hold up in court, honestly.
Right.
But
All
if
right.
I mean, at the end of the day, the whole issue is police accountability. I think
Yep.
that probably means more to the suspect than damages.
Yep. So we plan on holding him accountable for his actions. We just can't let him know what he was held accountable for, like what the outcome was, because that's an internal matter.
Yeah, no, like I said, I don't know if an NDA is something that would actually hold up in court.
Right, under the duress, yeah.
But
Yep.
if anything,
it's under investigation.
It
So
may.
in an hour you could pick.
Honestly, I think the better approach would be
do you
to
need a ride anywhere?
show a sign of good faith, and like I mean that would be my approach. Is you don't necessarily need an NDA. As a sign, just be like, hey, this is a sign of good faith. But because like either way, he could sue you, right? The NDA may not hold up in court, one, and then two, if it's showing that the DA's office is trying to get people to sign under duress, it might also be a bad look.
Yeah.
So that's kind of my thought. They might not give a shit, and it might not come out of it, but it's totally up to you how you want to handle it.
Alright, yeah, no, I'll do it your way, because it does sound a lot. Now that you said it, it makes more sense. I didn't think of it that way, and that's something that I've never really
think about it from the other side.
Yep. So, alright, let me get this guy out of here.
Alright. See you later.
Alright, have a good one.
Bye.
All right, he feels reformed.
Hell yeah.
Also, I called to confirm he doesn't have to pay for his bike. He could get it in an hour. Also, I made a new sign. I'm gonna put it in judge chat for you.
Hell yeah. Oh my god, this is perfect.
Yeah, because people's fucking phones were still going off in court, but I had no time
damn.
to yell at people.
No, I love that. I just put it on the TV.
Yep, that's what I was thinking. Exactly.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, Mike just called me asking if he could force someone to sign an NDA if he drops charges so that they don't sue PD. And I told him that sounds kind of like you're leveraging his freedom for a prevention of a future lawsuit, and if he signs it, it could be under duress. So
you missed the best call from him in my life when I was fishing.
Jesus, what did he do?
Can this guy be arrested for filming PD?
No, what the fuck?
I told him if you ever have a question like that, look at the U.S. Constitution of America. I mean, the Constitution of the United States. The First Amendment is apparently not a thing to people.
Like, it's not illegal to film.
No.
Like, what?
They could give him a lawful order to leave, but
yeah,
not to film. Even if it was beyond, like, inside the parking lot through the little window to their parking area, still not illegal. Just tell them to leave. It's trespassing, if anything.
Yeah, exactly. It's not illegal to film.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
The shit we go through when we go fishing.
Oh, God.
Yeah. I really wish there wasn't that, if you're married thing, you can't work here, because I would so make her my secretary.
Damn, yeah, no, I feel like I understand why the rule's there, but I also feel like it's silly. For most people, it's silly.
Yeah, I wouldn't take any of her cases. I'd tell her to fucking be a lawyer somewhere else. For somebody else. Yeah. I'm very picky with my cases. I will put you sat with me in the invoices also.
Hell yeah, sounds good to me. I feel like I
Uh-huh.
didn't do much, so I don't care if I don't need to get paid for it.
You did. It's the same thing Kyle does with me. If I sit in with him, he can make sure I get paid too.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna go do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go do something.
What is that? Monroe versus LSPD or state versus?
State versus Monroe. Yeah.
Okay.
Or you just
Thank you.
Yeah.
Or just put speedy trial.
Yep, that's I think what I like putting the names just to help me remember later if someone ever questions me on it.
I don't need to do it. What was that? 45 minutes we're gonna say?
Yeah, round it up to an hour.
Alright, an hour sounds good to me. You wanna do an hour and a half? Just to make it a little extra money? I'm kidding. Yo, listen, I told Abijah I sat in on a case, he paid me 5 G's. I was like, alright, whatever. I was on like 8. Alright.
Hell yeah.
Alright, so an hour? Cool.
Absolutely. And I made some guy do drug testing today. He said he wants to be a cop, that's why he wants his record expunged, and he was like 17 days into a clean record. It was only one charge one day. But it was like 80 bags of meth. So I was like, bruh, you cannot be a cop until you're at least 30 days clean. However, if you do some drug testing and you go hang out with the EMS and do all the things, you know what? We'll grant the expungement today. And then pending your clean record, you can apply for PD. And he had a fishing license, which made me happy. Hey, Bo, what's up?
Question for you, ma'am.
Yeah, what's up?
Reckless evading.
Alright, I put it in.
And another charge, all non-violent. That qualifies for speedy, correct?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Then we might have a speedy for you in about 5-10 minutes.
Hell yeah, we'll be down in the courtroom.
All right, perfect. I'll let them know.
All right, bye-bye. Got another speedy trial if you want to do another one.
Do one. I'll sit second chair for one.
All right, sounds good to me.
Hold on, can I wear my? Hold on, what color are we wearing today?
I'm not gonna wear it in the court.
I am.
I'm not. It's not nice.
That's fine. You can wear that.
Are you sure?
I'm wearing
look
this.
Not nice. I don't know.
Now wear that, and I'll wear this.
But okay. I'll stay looking professional.
You would make a hell of a lawyer because you argue so fucking much.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
It's something I've never done, to be honest.
Cassandra, we need to petition relationships in DOJ.
Yet, I don't know. See,
it's
there's
not gonna
my
work.
boss, by the way.
It's not gonna work. We tried with EMS. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, I know.
You know,
got it.
I don't know if I want it to go away. Only because Fergie keeps threatening to sign paperwork saying that we're married, and that would mean that he can never come back to the DOJ. But if I get him rehired, then he can't threaten to marry me.
This is taking so long to get Fergie back.
It honestly it helped EMS a lot when they put it in place. So.
Nah, 100%.
Not as much drama in the frickin' area of EMS without it, but I don't miss it, to be honest.
I see why in DOJ it would be important because of the type of job we do, but like EMS is kind of.
Nah, it definitely controlled a lot of situations, a lot of favoritism that was happening.
Yeah, I'm the total opposite. If I had to do a court case and you were the criminal, I would still throw your ass in jail.
What? I'm not a criminal.
No, I know.
I've lived that life enough times.
Yeah, me too. I think Cass did too. Hey, can we use the new picture?
Absolutely.
I made a new picture. I sent it to you.
I know I saw it.
Come on.
That's why I walked out. So.
Oh, you're gonna have to run quick. Go, go, go.
Oh, I got it.
I wonder if Abijah would let me wear one of these sweaters. Dorncoat.
He's definitely a by the book
Hey,
guy.
Ezekiel, he's on the way.
Oh, he was as a lawyer
Yeah,
too.
they're getting him ready for transport.
Perfect. Thank you.
What is the command for the TV?
You just look at it like with your alternate eye.
Makes sense.
Oh, hey, look at that.
I could probably make it a little better. It still looks dope. They can see it, right?
I think so. I'm pretty sure everyone can see it.
I wish I could just yell, bailiff, arrest that person.
Right? I know. I want us to have bailiffs.
Bailiffs, bounty hunters, all that shit like we talked about earlier.
Yeah, I'm like the worst. He told me a number for the case and I fucking forgot it already.
Do you know how many times I asked him on that last one what the case number was?
Yeah, so
8.
he was in one ear and out the other.
Sir, do you know the case number we're looking for here?
Is it the 2941?
Yeah, 2941's gonna be the speed trial coming up.
Jesus Christ.
It's Todd.
Steak tips.
I fucking love that guy.
You know what's funny? He goes, "Yeah, I don't have a criminal record." I was like, "Oh, you sure about that?" He's like, "Yeah." I was like, you want me to read out your criminal record?" He's like, "Yeah, it's not more than a page long." I'm sitting there, I
Jesus
got
Christ.
halfway through. He's like, "Oh, well, wait. Actually, you can stop now." I was like, "No, I'm gonna keep going now. Don't you worry."
Hey, when Todd talks, does that remind you of somebody?
No, who does it remind you of?
Called Stacks?
No.
Just listen to the way
Are
he
we gonna
talks and then
be
think about it.
downstairs or upstairs?
Upstairs.
Hey, you like our new sign? On the
You got
TV?
your sign? Oh. Let me just.
Ah, there we go. Look at that.
It works. Sign works.
Hold on.
All right. Well, Speedy. So I'm gonna sit back and let the officer do his work, and I'm gonna sit back and watch.
Ah, somebody listens.
That way you can use your hands, but you got to stay at your table. Okay. All right. So right here is your table. If you want to stand in front of your chair.
Can I have
There we
with
go.
him before you latch him to the table?
Yeah.
I just need about a minute of his time.
Like you could use the
There you
jury
go.
chambers over there.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Go ahead.
Right this
Take
way.
it up.
sir.
I'm winning this case and I'm making it personal.
How's it going, officers?
Oh, hey.
It's going. It's going slowly but surely.
Hell yeah.
How
How
about
long has
yourself?
this gentleman been in custody?
About 40 minutes, maybe.
All right.
Good night, Deacon.
All right. Ready, Bubba?
You guys left me at the PD
Oh.
station.
Have a good night.
Oh,
Alright.
Your
Sorry,
Honor,
Ross,
do you
looked
want me
like
to
you was
swear,
busy.
swear them in?
Hey, Ross, I can
No,
pick
yes,
you up.
okay.
Cass,
Say that
Sorry,
again,
sorry.
Mr. Goodman?
our
I said I
future
can
bailiff
pick
is
you up.
talking
I'm
to you.
pretty
Oh
close.
yeah, you know what? Fuck it, bailiff. Go ahead and I'll have you swear them in.
Okay.
Hey, Your Honor, just for you to let you know,
Uh-huh.
I got the owner of the vehicle in
Officer, can I
question
talk to you real
coming
quick?
down to the courthouse as well. Okay.
Okay, we don't do witnesses for speedy trials, just so you know.
Okay, just letting you know.
Yeah, appreciate it. All right, sir, Mr. Bailiff, sir.
All rise.
The court of the city of Smile is now in session. Honorable Judge Pickett will be sitting beside me here, and Judge Cole, myself, will be presiding. You may all be seated. We are now here today for a speedy trial in the case of 2941 for Todd Stank Tips.
Yep.
Perfect. All right. Bailiff, would you mind swearing in both part? Where's the arresting officer?
I'll go get him.
Are you speaking with counsel, ma'am?
So we're not ready to proceed. God damn it. I did my whole speech and everything.
Sorry, ma'am.
Would you
Jesus
like
Christ.
me to wait?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Pause.
Oh, here they come.
And you can sit over here.
Would you like me to continue, Your Honor?
I'll go ahead and start from the beginning just so that Mr. Officer here, who I actually don't know his name yet, so he hears the beginning part as well. All right. So today we are here for the state versus Todd Stankpits. In this case, this is going to be a speedy trial. So I will determine the facts of this case after reviewing testimony provided by both officers and the defense. Because this is a speedy trial, we will not be introducing witnesses. It'll be up to the evidence provided by both parties. Bailiff, go ahead and swear each person in.
I swear to tell the truth.
Oh, hold
and
on.
only the truth.
I do that. Hold up, okay. If you can raise your right hand, please.
I swear the truth.
No,
and only the truth.
no. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, so help you, DG the 99, gun collector, Mads Caddy, and so Hammer and Richie the 5th?
I swear the truth on all of those people.
Okay.
Okay, that's me. My bad.
Turn your phones off, please. Let's have everyone's phones on silent, please, or in airplane mode. Thank you.
Listen, I made the sign and I totally didn't show one. I'm sorry.
It's okay, I forgive you.
The defense has been sworn in, Your Honor.
All right, we should be able to do the same with the testifying officer.
Okay. Officer Zach,
Yes, sir.
if you could raise your right hand. Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, so help you, DG the 99, gun collector, Mads Caddy, and Sir Hammer and Richie
Yes,
the
you got
5th?
I swear.
All right.
Speedy.
Can I have the prosecution or the officer, arresting officer, please provide his name for the record?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, it was
Name
there the
is
whole way.
Zach
You
Flinsburg, badge number
stupid ass
933.
Silence.
Wonderful. And
this
suspect
table
here, would
leg, okay?
you be able
I
to
still need a reach. Come on now.
provide your name for the record?
Speedy. At least go out over there. Come on now.
Defense?
What do you not understand about? I am a witness.
Mr.
I watched
Stankpits?
everything happen.
Yes, sorry.
Would you be able to provide your name for the record?
It's a speedy trial.
Todd Stanktips.
All right. Thank you so much.
It's a speedy trial.
So, as this is a speedy trial, I'll review again for the court. This is going to be based off of officer testimony and defense testimony. There will be no witnesses and there will be no additional testifying parties. I will consider the evidence provided by both sides. Officer, you may provide your testimony.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Me and my training officer, badge number 406, Aquarius Campbell, were at Rex's Diner on a meal break when we observed from inside the building, just outside in the first parking space, the defendant, Mr. Todd Snanktips, break a window of a box truck and enter the vehicle. We then approached him and lawfully ordered him to exit the vehicle for questioning, in which he refused and began to flee in the said box truck. We then entered our patrol vehicle and began to pursue, in which he took the railroad tracks up to the wind farm in this box truck, and then proceeded to launch the box truck off of the cliff, flipping it multiple times, landing upright, and continuing to flee towards the power station. Just south of the power station, the suspect drove onto the beach and into the water, fully submerging the box truck. The suspect was then seen swimming, in which he was established as Code Red and was fired upon by the officers on the shoreline. The suspect was incapacitated in the water and was able to be retrieved by the officers on scene. And then he was brought back to the shoreline, and EMS was alerted and provided medical treatment on scene.
All right. Is there any additional testimony or evidence you wish to provide the court?
The charges that we brought before him were, take a look. The charges brought before were grand theft auto, reckless, and criminal possession of a weapon class A, as the suspect is not licensed to carry a firearm, but was in possession of one pistol. The pistol is also not registered.
All right. Is that everything that you'd wish to provide the court?
And the suspect was also found to be in possession of 22 lockpicks.
All right. If that is everything, we will go ahead and transition to the defense. Mr. Stank Tips, if you would like to provide your testimony.
All started on this Sunday, beautiful day. It was shining, birds were singing. I was out there having fun, enjoying the weather. And all of a sudden, I spot this beautiful truck just standing outside of this restaurant, we could say, or fast food, anything. Anyways, I was thinking to myself, I shall use this truck, because it was only sitting there. So I made my way upon this truck, and then what do I see? Spotting a black SUV with somebody, a crazy dude inside. I was only thinking about myself. Oh my God, what's going to happen next? He starts ramming my truck. Oh my God. What am I supposed to do? I was scared for my life. I could not see anything. I kept driving, and the cop were pursuing him. I thought there was the SUV, so I just kept going and going, trying to save my life from this SUV, and he could not stop following me. So I made my way to the water to try to helpfully save my own life. And making my way in the water, I was crawling, swimming, and what do I hear? Gunshots! Bang, bang, bang! Bang, 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 bang! Da, 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 da! And gunshots, I was wounded. I was crawling. Mind you, I was scared for my life. Just there, crawling. Oh my God, what am I supposed to do? And I was dead. I could not do anything for myself. Mind you, the cop shot me for absolutely no reason. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much. Is there any other testimony or evidence you wish to provide the court?
Yeah. I got my grandpa here to see everything.
Okay, do you have any other personal testimony or evidence that you'd wish to provide? Unfortunately, we will not be taking witness testimony at this time.
Really?
Yes, as a part of a speedy trial, we don't allow additional testimony from outside parties. It's just the testimony provided by the arrested and the arresting officer.
I'm his lawyer.
Your Honor, sidebar, real quick.
Sidebar. Oh, he's gonna.
All right, give me one moment. I'm going to
suck the
discuss
judge's
with the
titty.
prosecution here. And then I will ask each party to provide any additional testimony that they would like to provide before coming to my ruling. We'll take
Objection, hearsay,
a
hearsay.
brief recess. Hang out here for just a moment.
I think you got this in a bag there.
Apparently,
What's going
the
on?
gentleman that's on trial right now for the speedy trial, he's not being charged with grand theft. The owner of Rex's Diner would like to press charges. Apparently, $30,000 to $40,000 of inventory was stolen. And she would like to press charges. I don't know if that
does not
attaches to
change.
this.
No, that would be a civil charge.
Okay, I didn't know.
Yeah, that's
I
nothing
just wanted
to do
to
with
make
his criminal
sure.
charges.
Yeah, well, the criminal charges would be grand theft. It's a 15-month or 50-month and $250 fine.
And that's already on his thing.
Okay, I didn't know what he was being charged with. I just came in and they're like, "Well, this isn't what it's being charged with." So I'm sorry.
Did you check the case? It's on the case.
I haven't had time. I've been pulled in 20 million different directions.
All right, god damn it.
I'm sorry.
All right. Court is now back in session. Apologies, that did not apply to this particular case. All right. Officer Zach, how do I say your last name again?
It's Klinsberg, ma'am.
Klinsberg. Zach Klinsberg. Do you have any additional testimony or rebuttal from what the defense is saying?
No, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Sputz. I'm so sorry. I just totally messed up your name again. Stank Pips. Mr. Stank Tips. Do you have any additional testimony that you'd like to provide at this time?
Sorry.
That's okay. It's okay. All right. I do have a couple clarifying questions. Mr. Stank Tips, did you in fact break into the vehicle?
I had no choice.
Why is that?
Black SUV trying
Objection, leading the witness.
These are clarifying questions.
Good call.
These are clarifying questions, so I will be asking pretty direct questions in this case. Officer
Yes, ma'am.
Kleinsberg? What? Kleinsberg?
It's Klinsberg, ma'am.
Klinsberg. Fuck. Sorry. Officer Klinsberg.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you describe to me what is supporting your charge of reckless evading again?
The reckless evading, ma'am, was the lack of concern for the officers or anyone else who might be on the roadways. Suspect did drive onto the railroad tracks and then proceed to launch his vehicle from the top of a cliff on the wind farm onto a main road, flipping the vehicle multiple times.
Mr. Stank
Objection. Objection. How's he gonna do that and harm somebody if there's nobody in the damn fields on the cliff? Ain't nobody gonna be around or at the bottom
It
of a
wasn't
cliff.
reckless. It was professional.
He is a professional A1 driver.
You know, I'm happy to add that to his record, that he is a professional driver.
Yeah, that's good. They're gonna put it on your record.
Gee, man. Every
All
time
right.
they're going to arrest me, they're going to see that.
Mr. Stankfitz, at what point
Yes?
did you hear the officers? Did you hear the officers behind you?
I all throughout the chase, but they were not saying anything. Truly, I thought they were going after the SUV.
Okay. All right. Just for my knowledge, why didn't you pull over?
I was scared for my life. This SUV kept running me over. Look at me, I'm just a feeble little boy.
Was this SUV a police officer vehicle?
Nope, not at all.
Officers, did you see any other vehicles in the area?
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. There was a black and color four-door lifted truck that was attempting to wrongfully assist police in the chase.
Wrongfully?
And he wasn't arrested. He wasn't arrested. He was trying to kill Todd.
All right. I believe that's all the questions that I have. I'm going to take a brief recess and gather my thoughts, and then I'll be out here with the ruling.
Hey, who's that white-haired son of a bitch on the stand?
No. Looks stupid.
All right. So I can't. All right. So my initial thought is, he honestly, when he started giving his testimony, I was like, "Oh my god, this guy's great." Unfortunately,
Have you ever heard of Stacks?
What?
Have you ever heard of Stacks? Oop.
No.
Oh my god, he sounds so much like him.
The criminal possession of a Class A, that's going to stick no matter what. Honestly, the grand theft is going to stick no matter what. He definitely just admitted to stealing the car.
His sentence is 45.
Oh yeah. No, he's not going to get
been-
that whole time. I think I'm going to reduce the reckless evading down to evading, as he was probably, and even the officers corroborated someone was attacking him.
Yeah.
So I'm almost tempted to drop that charge. Because he may have been trying to just get away, right? That's kind of what he was saying. He wasn't really evading the cops, but to be fair, let me read this charge again. Let me just read the charge again. Fleeing from law enforcement and a dangerous man. He wasn't necessarily fleeing the law enforcement. He was trying to get away from the other car. And if I took that off, how much time does he have left after that? It's only 15 months.
And he's been in
been
custody
detained for a pretty
40.
long time.
Yeah.
All right.
That's silence in the courtroom.
All right. Court is back in session. So just as a reminder, since this is a speedy trial, I'll be determining the facts in this case. And I'm going to go through each charge individually. As for the charge of Grand Theft Auto, for State versus Stank Pits, I am going to find you guilty of Grand Theft Auto, as you did admit to breaking into the vehicle, and the vehicle was not licensed to you. So that will be a charge found guilty. The second charge will be the criminal possession of a Class A weapon. As you were in possession of a weapon illegally, and they had every right to detain and search you to find that weapon, that charge will also stick. For the last charge, reckless evading. Although Mr. Stank Pits was driving recklessly, it seems as though there is reasonable doubt to state that he was fleeing from another vehicle who was trying to run him off the road. So he was not necessarily recklessly evading from the officers, but instead recklessly driving. So I will reduce that charge down to reckless driving. Which is going to be, instead of 15 months with a $1,000 fine, it is a 10-month charge with a $250 fine. Due to the cooperation of Mr. Stank Tips in the courtroom and the time that he's been detained, I'm going to take that into account and reduce his time significantly to where he will serve 5 months in prison, and his fine will stay the same.
I'm outside the courthouse. Can you consider that time served by the time they get back to the damn jail? It'll
Pretty
be
much.
They should be able to send him up from here.
Get out of me.
So that will be my ruling. He's going to be sent up for 5 months in total.
Oh.
It's pretty fair, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Let's go.
Won't be no denying, always say congrats.
Sir.
How much was the fine again, man?
Let me see. Officer
Yes,
Klensberg?
ma'am. Fine was $6,000.
Yeah, so go ahead and send him that $6,000 fine, and we can send him up. There's jail cells right down in there.
Could somebody
Perfect,
let
thank
me
you.
out?
Sir, please don't try to. We're just gonna. They're gonna send you up and process you here real quick, and then we'll get you on your way.
You shot that. Woohoo! Hey, you can even give me my pistol back. I mean, hey. Just saying.
Did we send that to him yet?
Yes, I sent him the fine, man.
Did you see the fix to the song?
See the what?
Go ahead and send him for his 5 months.
Ooh, I like it.
Buzzers!
Hell yeah.
You're supposed to. Yeah.
He does realize he didn't win that case, right?
Yeah, I don't
in
think.
his mind,
Got the lowest
it's a
charge dropped.
W. Right.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just,
he thinks he won. It's okay. Let him have it.
Yes.
well, he's about to get
Probably.
sued by
Yeah,
Rex's.
he's about to get sued by Rex's.
Mhm.
And trespassed. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oof.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's just-
the owner is not very happy.
Nah, I wouldn't be either. They
Yeah,
lost how
that's
much
like
product? That's
50K in product.
Jesus
That's
Christ.
a lot of food.
Yeah, that's food I could be eating. I'm sorry, I'm a big bag, but that's a lot of food I could be eating. Just saying.
Yeah, I got the last meal.
Hell yeah. Thank y'all for bringing this one in. I liked it. It was a good one.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Thank you so much for being a bailiff.
Sergeant Rico
I appreciate
Oh, oh, thank you, Yola. What's your name?
it. Cassandra Cole.
Oh,
Let
here,
me
take my
just-
number.
Mickey?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I got you. Give me like 15 seconds when you hang up. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Always.
My name's Aquarius Campbell, okay, Corporal Campbell,
Hell yeah.
LSPD's finest, Your Honor.
Hell yeah. Nice to meet you. Here, let me pay you for being a bailiff. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
All right, cadet.
I will say your cadet did wonderful
Yes, sir.
out there.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
really
you.
proud of
Working on right now,
you.
Just that case.
Okay, cool. All right, Lindsay, you
Are,
ready to
are
go?
you new in town?
I've been here for a while.
I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I hope to see you around then.
Hell yeah. No, I'm usually here.
Okay.
Always trying to do speedy trials, you know.
Oh, okay.
I also sell fishing licenses if you need a fishing license.
Oh, no. I used to be a park ranger, no.
Okay.
You. Will you be around tomorrow?
Probably not, honestly. My
Oh,
my
that's a
nightmares get a
shame.
little funky because of how late I get home, and then the train is just so miserable.
Oh, okay.
See, we'll see.
Will you be around next weekend?
Oh, absolutely gonna try.
Oh, well, I hope so.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, glory to the Republic. Catch y'all later.
Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, thank
All
you.
right.
All right.
Oh, who's that over there? Excuse me.
Yes.
Court is finished.
Pardon?
Court's finished.
What do you mean?
The trial's over.
Yeah. I know.
You.
I'm waiting for my.
I'm literally here. Let me go look at these cars.
Yes.
That
Oh.
one.
All right.
Judge Pickett.
Send me more pictures.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
okay. I apologize. Oh,
No, it's all good.
I'll be out there in a second.
You just apologized to her? What happened? What'd you do?
I thought she was just like
My aunt's trying
Oh,
to sell me
Jesus.
cars. Let's go look at them.
All right. I'm gonna change
All right.
before we leave.
All right. Cass, you can put an invoice for that one. I'm not doing it.
I already dropped it.
What a G. I'm taking the stairs. I need the cardio. What's your name, officer?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Daquillis Campbell, Corporal Campbell, LSPD Finest. Oh, you're talking to the wrong gentleman.
Slow down. I don't understand you.
What the fuck is happening straight ahead?
I have no idea.
Fucking wrong of him.
Who are we talking about here?
Spades.
Oh.
Being a dirty fucking naughty boy.
Cass, you're so afraid of bikers.
Oh shit.
No, I just want to get a better look, and I can zoom in on my phone pretty well.
So she doesn't have to. She doesn't have to call me then.
Okay. Anymore. He just wanted to know what the verdict was on that, because you know
That's
lawyers
literally
and
your
stuff
twin back there.
and prosecutors.
Give me a second, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. They love law.
Cassandra, can I talk to you
Yeah.
for a second?
Yeah.
All right.
I might better call EMS.
Well, talk to you later. Bye.
I just want to see your opinion. Obviously, with me telling you this, I don't think you'll be able to be on the case with it. I guess I forget the word term for it. So if you're okay with that,
Conflicted. Yep.
yeah. As long as you're okay with that, I'll kind of explain my situation.
Yeah, sure.
So my client was on a bike. He was passing the bank. There was a dude in handcuffs who started running toward my client. Officer Spades then opened fire and started shooting my client in the back while on the bike. My client got off the bike, not realizing it was PD shooting at him, and returned fire. He didn't down an officer or anything like that. He was immediately taken down when he shot back. He was charged. I got down to the cells. He was charged with attempted murder on Alio, aiding and abetting, and criminal possession. While down there talking to Spades, Spades decided to start shooting in the hallway where the investigation rooms are. He just took his gun out and started shooting into the doors. So prosecution decided to drop all charges and let him walk. They wanted him to sign an NDA, but obviously you can't sign an NDA under distress. So Mike said, under good faith, we're going to drop charges and hope you don't sue us. Now my client wants to sue.
Yeah, I mean, you have every right to sue. Mike actually is the one who called me about it, and I said, honestly, I don't know even if you had him sign an NDA, I don't know how well that would hold up in court. Because again, the situation is very clear that the person's freedom is kind of hanging in the balance, and that's not an appropriate way to do the say whether or not someone should get sued civilly. I would encourage, if the client does want to sue, that they go after the individual. I know the PD had the pockets, which again, you'll want to name them, but also name the specific individual.
Right.
Because if this is a consistent problem, the only way that there's actually going to be accountability is if the officers are held liable.
Okay.
Right? Because I assume the rest of PD did not condone this type of behavior, and neither did the DA's office, hence why they let him go.
Right. Okay. All right. Yeah, I guess I'll get the paperwork started on that then. I just wasn't sure if it was something I could do or not, even though you didn't sign the NDA. So
Yeah, no, I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, y'all are able to, Like, you can take whatever case you want to a docket and try to go to
Mhm.
trial with it, right? If there is a reason why that can't go to trial, we would tell you, right? Like, if it was a government thing involved, or if there wasn't enough probable cause for the trial, or if the DA's office filed a motion to dismiss and we agreed with the motion to dismiss, then it wouldn't go to trial. But like, you're always welcome to open a docket for
Okay.
really anything. So if you think you have a way to argue it legally, go for it.
Now, do you recommend me trying to settle with Mike before or no?
It's really, I would just ask what your client's most interested in. If they're more
Mm.
interested in holding the officers accountable, honestly, it makes more sense to go to trial and get it on record.
Okay.
Because the PDs, I don't know if you've heard about Claude's settlement offer, but they paid Claude $150,000 for some bullshit charges that they tried to pull up on him when he was an attorney at the beginning of the year. So they have money. They don't care about the money.
How did he get 150,000? I thought the most was 50.
Yeah, that's why the most is 50.
Oh, gotcha.
It was previously 150. So, and they took it to a settlement because they didn't want it to go to trial. So if your client is just interested in money, settlement might be the best way to go. But if you are more interested in holding the police accountable and getting this on record and having, whether it is the judges see it, other officers see it, or whatever it may be, that's also something where going to trial makes more sense.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, did he?
What's going on over there?
Oh, they're part of Rex's diner, I'm assuming.
But like, can I have what's your residence, Miss Kane, so I can get this for the paper?
Oh fuck.
You could tell me over here if you don't want everybody to hear it as well.
No,
too.
you're good. I don't care about that. I just don't remember.
What,
What's
the
the
apartment?
number of your
What's your name?
Way apartment.
Integrity Way.
Lillian Kane.
So it's Integrity Way.
Yeah, she's at Integrity.
But I don't ever go there because
Lily. Oh,
it's
Kane spelled
pretty
with a
rough
K.
Lillian City for me.
Yeah, Kane with and then E at the end.
Spelled with a K. K-A-I-N-E.
He could get your apartment number for you.
Can you just spell your first name? Because there's so many different Kanes.
Lillian. I know. I got 2 dads and 2 brothers.
There we go, Lillian.
Yep.
Her apartment is 4 Integrity Way, apartment 203.
Thank you.
Do you need the date of birth?
No. I don't need.
Okay. Phone number.
Yeah,
it
I
looks
got
like
this
you're-
for you.
Jesus Christ! I knew
that
exactly what
works.
she was doing.
That works. That
No,
works.
I don't. Yeah. I don't need all that.
Jesus fucking Christ! Fucking Day all over again, Lo.
Literally, like a model citizen.
Yeah, it's because I'm always at the diner.
She's not.
Well, it's
kidding.
just like me. I'm always here,
Hey,
or
can
a
you
PD.
Can you give me the case number for that last case so I can?
Wait,
so
is there
your
a garage here?
Case number.
There's one right down the street, down that
Okay,
way
bet.
to the
I'm gonna
left.
put this up.
What was his name?
Todd Stink Tips, which is
Stink
crazy.
Tips.
Case number is
Stank Tips. Excuse me.
2941. You will
Okay,
have
perfect,
to subpoena, I believe, the district attorney's office for the case. Is that correct, Judge Cole?
Do I need to? Well, yeah, for the restraining order, for like, 'cause we're trying to do a restraining order on the gentleman who robbed Miss Kane's vehicle and her $50,000 worth of inventory. So
Yeah, we just
first,
see the case number is 2941.
yeah. Which
But
I have. So
if he wants
yeah.
to look at the case,
No, I don't
you
need to
use
look
it
at it.
in
I just
court.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
I
he
will
just needs to reference
I will need that. I will need that for later. But for the yeah, for the restraining order, I just want to reference it. That's why I just asked for the number. So, but yeah, okay. All right, and then okay, I'm gonna go ahead and submit this then, so we can go ahead and get this done. Do we need to get it submitted in
Does
a docket,
anybody need
or can I
food?
just submit it
You
directly
can-
to the signing?
Yeah, you can just do the signing.
All right, perfect.
Samson, you need
Brother.
food?
What's up?
How is Panda gonna fucking mix me up with someone?
If you're gonna
Grits?
order some
Actually,
food,
know
I
who
could
Grits is.
do with a combo.
Brother.
I do have.
How does the green hair not give who I am away? The fuck?
Oh fuck! Wait, hold on. I need you to do me a favor because I
Hey,
feel
I appreciate
feel
that.
weird without my hat.
Good to go.
Who did I give? Who did I give food to?
What?
It was me. If you had the shrimps and the orange juice, that was me.
No. I handed nuggets and Dino orange juice to Mr.
All right.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
Samuel
you
did
did.
some-
Who do I need to hand it
am
to?
too.
I bought
No, it's
5,
for you,
so
it's
I
for
don't
you.
need
Oh,
5.
it's for me.
'cause
Oh,
I'm not
thank
gonna
you,
be
thank you,
on
appreciate
for
it.
like.
Yeah, I definitely. I've passed out
You need
about 3
any?
times today.
We're not gonna be on past 2 again tonight.
Oh, are you the one that was there that you were waiting for your drinks at Rex's?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, I apologize.
No, you're good.
Yeah, as you can see, I've been dealing with that situation, so now you know a little bit of why it took forever.
What's your location? Warehouse. What's up? Alex.
Cause my mules were empty now.
Okay. Where's it?
I cleaned out the fridge, by the way.
Oh yeah, I noticed. Because I went in there because I made myself a quick meal with the stuff that I
I will
still had
say,
on me.
please provide a date.
Oh,
Indefinitely is yeah.
and okay. We can't have them indefinitely
Not
restrained. Okay.
indefinitely.
All right.
Just pick a date. And like if it becomes a consistent problem, you can always renew it.
January
Okay,
1st, 2027.
Yeah. Can we do that?
Maybe
Okay.
like,
Is
maybe
it or is it like
August. Maybe like August.
like 3 months? Okay, 3 yeah, August. Okay. We'll do August 1st.
Oh, I have others that are that. So.
Okay, that's it. August 1st, 2026. How about that?
December
Who know-
31st, 2026.
Like who knows? He might end up moving away by then. You know, who knows?
Samuel, am I billing you directly for this?
Yeah. How much was the filing fee again?
The filing fee is typically $500, and then I always have to double check the document for the actual cost of the what's it called? Trespassing.
Why am
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
struggling to close all my apps?
Yeah, you can bill me for the filing fee. It says 500, but
How much is it for the document? Does it say?
are you just talking about for documentation, or you mean I don't see anything for the trespassing?
Okay. I know the marriage licenses are 1,000. So let's see. So I want you to be able to make the money for this for actually doing the work. I just signed it. So we'll say the trespassing fee is going to be $750.
So 750 plus 500. Is that what it is?
So you'll bill your client $750.
Oh, okay.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and just waive my filing fee, and I don't need it.
Gotcha. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, I already charged it up front because I figured there's gonna be a little bit of work involved. So we
Yeah.
should be
Okay.
good to go.
Perfect. So you've already charged her for
Yeah.
all this. Okay. Wonderful. Then you're all good to go.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Anything else that I can do for y'all?
No, that's it. Right now, Judge.
Hell
Thank
yeah.
you.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
I hope y'all get your shit back.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I just want my my bank statements to match up now because well, not my bank statements, my bank account for Rex's to match up because
Yeah. So I had a question, Judge. What? So let's say, so we're going for a civil suit. Let's say this individual is broke. How does that happen? What happens after that? You know.
Oh, that's a great question. I have no idea. I think invoices can send you into the negative, so who knows?
Oh wow, that'd be crazy to go minus 50,000.
Hey, fuck around, find out.
Yeah, he deserves it based on what I'm hearing. It sounds like he's a real scumbag.
Cassandra.
What's up?
So I brought it up to him, and Bo is on some sort
Is
of
what?
fucking power trip right now, and is going. He just freaked out when it listened to anything. He's saying, he's writing a KPS warrant, I guess, for it now, even though the charges were dropped. So I'm a little confused.
Well, if they want to press the charges, they can press the charges, right? Like, if
Even
they
though
have
that they
enough
were dropped.
evidence, if they have enough evidence to, if the client did not plead guilty,
Mhm.
not guilty, or like contest, if they have enough evidence, they can arrest him for it.
Okay.
Now, again, it's another thing you can fight in court.
All right. Sweet. Sounds good.
It's up to you. So yeah, however you want to do it.
Yep.
Yeah, and I got that officer said he can testify in court. He overheard a phone call where he bragged about it.
Hey, what's up?
Question for you, man.
Mm-hmm.
So we had an individual that got charged of something, and a incident occurred. Both parties agreed verbally to drop charges in lieu of being sued.
Yeah,
Now
so
the
I've been informed of this case. The biggest thing is it's really hard to leverage someone's freedom in the hopes that you don't get civilly sued. That is going to be extremely, at least from my point of view, extremely hard to hold in court, because I know there was talks about doing an NDA and all that stuff, and honestly, I don't, from my point of view, I don't know if I would hold that up in court.
okay, my original my question was, since he is not holding up to the end of his bargain, because we, like I said, we were going to drop charges, we are going to be issuing a KPS warrant on him.
Yeah, no, I would. I think that's absolutely fair as well.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with that, especially if you have the evidence to, prove the charges that should have been present. And then I would.
I was just making
give
sure it was
the
legally
attorney-
sound.
Yeah, I would just give the attorney the option to have the person turn themselves in. And then I would make sure that because the biggest thing is, you can't hold this over his head. That's the other thing that might come back to bite you. And I'm only saying this because, again, I can't preside over this, but it might come back to bite you because you're basically holding his freedom over his head in lieu of him not going against you for civil charges. Because you going after him for a warrant could mean that if he agrees not to sue PD civilly, how does he know you're not going to do this again in the future? So I would just make sure that you get the charges either like done, or pick whether or not you're gonna charge him for the stuff.
Oh no, I'm past that. I'm not backing down now. If he already backed out once, I'm not giving him an option again. We're just gonna go ahead and file if he refused to cooperate.
Yeah, and just give him the chance to surrender himself because he was initially let go, right?
He was initially let go because we had an agreement, but since he's not upholding to the agreement, we're going to go ahead and file a warrant for it.
Hey,
Yeah.
officer.
Yeah, no, the biggest thing is it's hard
Inside,
to
we're
hold
over by where the
someone
Jewish guy
for,
is.
An agreement, right? Because
The Jewish guy over here.
It's however y'all want to play
your-
it, but
to
like
your
I
left.
definitely would not try to
Yeah.
hold a civil suit over someone as an agreement for a charge because I think that it makes a very gray area where you're
Oh
basically
yeah,
like,
no, I'm only doing the warrant because he did not follow. He did not follow what we agreed on verbally. So if he didn't want to do that, we're going to file the warrant. I'm just making sure that sounds legally correct.
it is a very gray area. It's something that they could try to go after in court. Because again, I don't know how it'll play out for either side, honestly.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
No.
Oh, they're putting out whatever warrant he fucking said.
It's called a capious warrant.
Yeah.
Filed by state attorneys.
Oh, Cassandra, don't stay over here and hear this.
Yeah,
You
they
need to
already
be the
told me
judge
all of
for
it. They already fucking conflicted me like
fuck.
30 minutes ago for this. That's who I was
Yeah,
on the
no,
phone with over by the track.
I don't like that shit. Nah, that NDA is so he won't testify in court. That's crazy. They tried to trick him.
Yeah, that's why I told Mike that's probably not a good idea to do one of those.
In fact, I mean, I made her sign the NDA, but that was important.
You know, it's whatever. That's gonna be an easy case to win anyways. You guys drop the charges that easy.
look at this
You'll just
one.
fold that easy in court too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn.
So are you going to tell you guys to surrender, or are you going to turn himself in, or?
Once the warrant is issued, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Wait,
Give me about
hold
10
on.
minutes.
Why the fuck? Hold on. Who's this again? With the
Bo.
This is Bo.
What's up, Bo? Why the fuck was a guy shot at when he did not shoot? There was no match of force there. That's my
Yeah, I
question.
wasn't there for that part.
Yeah, nah. That's some bullshit.
I agree that the civil actions of the officer is incorrect. However, they have probable cause for charges. So, like I said, we agreed to drop charges if they agreed not to pursue civilly. They didn't do it there. Then it was a verbal agreement; it wasn't signed on paper. But they didn't want to. They wanted to go after civilly, so we're going to continue our charges that we had.
I have a very good question for everybody here.
Sure.
Okay. Is there emergency here at the courthouse?
No, we're having the officers come over here so they can write the affidavit for their charges.
All right, outstanding. So, can we have the lights off and then park in the proper parking lot? Because if we would
Jesus
get
Christ,
towed
yes,
for this
please.
shit, it would be
Jesus
a
Christ,
problem.
you're so right. Thank you so much
So
for saying that. I'm gonna
let's,
go yell at him.
Thank you.
So let me get this right. Fuck now.
Hey, any chance we could request, if there's not an active emergency going on, that officers that turn their lights off and park like civil human beings?
Okay, let me turn off his lights for him.
Because holy cow, would our lawyers get their shit towed for doing the same shit? 90% of the time, I'm the one who calls the PD and tells them to the car.
You feel what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
So basically, the crime committed is don't get on somebody's bike when you're running, and don't own a motorcycle, and hope that nobody hops on the back if you do.
Right.
All right, I'll be back in about a few minutes.
Sorry.
Man, I'm headaching so much with their cars.
I had to
You
shatter
gotta stop
homeboy's
telling
dreams.
people. You gotta stop telling people about the case because now he can't preside either. You're
Well,
Oh, I
stuck with
didn't
all
want
three
to.
of us.
I asked him first.
I didn't want to.
Yeah, I
God
asked
damn
him
it.
before I did it. I
Yeah.
asked both of you. I'm not just telling people. I'm
Yeah,
asking
no,
before I
Mike
say
already
anything.
conflicted me like way long ago when he was gonna have the
No,
person
no,
sign
no.
an NDA, and I told him that's probably not a good idea.
Yes, that's a good thing to do. That we're conflicted.
Yeah, no, I can't be me.
The whole reason why it's good that we're
Can
conflicted.
you move over a little bit? I want to run you over, ma'am.
Is
Yolanda, hurry up. Bro.
the reason why it's good that we're conflicted is because of the way the cases he explained to me. Now they can't get a judge means that it's another day that he doesn't have to be. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I mean this probably wouldn't be able to. Yeah, this needs to get done in a like an actual court case. We'll see.
I just Gotti, they really are fucking your client in every
Is
way
this something
possible.
I could do with a jury trial? I've never done jury, so can you do that for criminal cases or no?
I'm just gonna be realistic with you, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't sit on this case personally. It would be better to be somebody else because I'm very just hearing everything put together. It should have never even made it that way. That dude was shot for no reason. He was sitting on a motorcycle.
Right.
That's like me sitting in my car and me getting aired out because somebody hopped in my car and I didn't even know.
Mm-hmm.
You know, even if I did see the person hop in my car, what do I have to do with a crime? Why am I being shot? Why am I being arrested when I'm literally like cashing a check or some shit? You know what I mean?
Right.
It's a wrong place, wrong time deal. I don't like it. Yes.
Right? That's what I thought.
Yes.
So
It would be a
just so you know, you have every right to request a jury trial for any of the trials that you host. If we can
Okay.
afford it and we can coordinate it, we'll attempt to get a jury trial. So if you would like to request one, that's 100% within your purview. Which we are trying to limit the number of jury trials just because of funding, because it is kind of expensive. It costs us a lot of money every time we do it.
Mm-hmm.
But I love jury trials. So
this
I think
specific
this would be a
great.
good one.
Because
Especially if I wonder, it may have to be two separate court cases, but I would love to combine this into one where it goes over the criminal and the civil damages at the same time.
And to be honest, if this place was anywhere like another place that we all know, being that I was in a similar situation ages ago, that cop would have been fired by the judge.
Yeah, they gave him a strike. That's all
Yeah,
they
Yeah,
did.
I don't know if we have that power, unfortunately.
we don't at all. We don't. We tried and we don't. We haven't for years. It sucks. Cause there was a case. I don't know if you remember with that Ivy girl ages ago about the stripper thing.
Yeah.
I was bringing up about the unprofessionalism because FIB was talking to me before. That's why I swayed the way I did. That they had to pay and all that shit. I said, realistically, he should lose his job for the level of unprofessionalism, not just the fact that he was unprofessional. It was it just didn't look right at all. It makes you guys look bad. And I was told that we have no say in that.
Yeah, no, we cannot interfere with the PD's hiring and how they choose to run the PD.
But
what did you
they
mean
could
by
have us fired.
What did you mean by you don't think I should take this?
Well, you
You don't think,
can.
like, I know you're not being disrespectful. You not think I'm like not competent enough for this? Like, I should let someone more experienced take it?
I don't know. I think you should at least get as just a second person to help with like having a
Mhm.
second set of eyes on it, because in court it's nice to have someone who also might be able to say an objection and see a different side from like your POV while you're focused on so much other stuff, because there's a lot that happens in court. As far as needing to take notes, like it is actually fucking hard as shit to keep up with all the stuff that y'all talk in court. It honestly, it is bane of my existence. It is so hard to keep track of everything. So having a second person there to help with notes or something like that, I always encourage having a second chair, especially if your client can afford it, right?
Okay.
If they can pay up front, great. If not, you can always do a percentage of whatever earnings you may get, which may also, in this case of a criminal one, it can be a percentage of the fine that because they already pay the bail. And so if he pays like 20K in bail, you could say, okay, well, I'll take 10% of your bail bond if we win, or so, you know what I mean? He gets the money back. So that's like a way to also, like, disperse funds when you hire an extra person.
Okay. All right. And then with his warrant, when he goes to serve that, obviously have him plead not guilty, or
It's up to you. It's up to whatever your client wants to do. I mean,
there's a case that's similar to what you're talking about. It was in New York City. I'm looking into it real quick. Hold on.
I do need to leave soon. I just realized what time it was.
I'll
it's
email
fucking
you about
late.
it.
Okay.
Because I'm pretty sure there's a
I
case
have
law
nightmares
about
in
this.
45 minutes.
Oh shit. Well.
Yeah, you never took your nap.
Sleep well.
Yeah, I didn't take my nap because I had to go sleep well. Fuck no. I don't get to sleep.
well.
I was gonna take a nap and then got wrapped up into this. I should have never took this alcohol.
Hey, we're about to make some money.
Hopefully. Hopefully we can do a jury trial on it.
All right, time to be back.
But yeah, just send me that. I'm gonna make a phone call real quick and then play out.
Who wants to see me be a dick?
Ew.
Jesus Christ.
Who are you gonna be a dick to?
How you doing, officer? Are you happening to be one of the cops that's parked in front of the courthouse? All right, can you do me a favor? Can you have somebody let them know to move their cars or come tow them, please, like they do to ours? No, there's no active court. I'm a judge, and they are parked in red lines. Yeah,
walk off with
there's no
Ross.
court currently.
I have no idea. I think they're talking to the cops
All
inside.
right, I appreciate you. Well, apparently it's okay for them to park there if there's a court case.
There's not a court case. That's kind of crazy.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna go to bed. I am tired AF. But I'll see y'all around.
Alrighty,
Alright.
have a good one.
Hell yeah. Have a good night.
I'm going. Did you order?
Not gonna lie.
So sorry.
See, look at that! Look at that crooked judge.
Have a good night.
Good night, Your Honor.